Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Let's provide a solution to this question. X plus y equals to 100, x times y equals to 100. What is the possible value for x and y? So let's provide a solution. So solution, okay, write x plus y equals to 100, okay, x times y equals to 100. So from this part, we'll call this one equation 1, and we'll call this one equation 2. So at this point, we'll make x the subject formula here. So say x is equals to 100 minus y. So we'll call this one equation 3. So the next thing we are going to do is to substitute equation 3 into equation 2. Okay, so from here now we'll simply say 100 minus y into times y equals to 100. Okay, so from here now we can say 100y minus y squared is equals to 100 if we open the bracket. Okay, so from here now, bring this one to this side. We have this to be y squared minus 100y, okay, plus 100 equals to 0. Okay, having done that, we're now having a quadratic equation. So we can say y squared minus 100y plus 100 equals to 0. So we'll say y is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, using this formula, the quadratic formula. So our a is equals to 1, our b is equals to minus 100, our c is equals to 100. Okay, so from here now we can say our y is equals to minus 100 plus or minus into minus 100 all square minus 4 times 1 times 100, okay, all divided by 2 times 1. Okay, having done this now, we have our y to be equals to 100 plus or minus the root of this. We are having this one to be 10,000 minus 400 over 2. Okay, having done this, we subtract 400 from 10,000. We have our y is equals to 100 plus or minus the root. This subtract this will give us 9,600, okay, over 2. Okay, so 9,600 can be broken down. 9,600 can be broken down. So 9,600 is also equals to this, which is equals to root 96 times root 100, which is equals to 10 root 96. Okay, 10 root 96. Okay, so we can come here and write here to be y, which is our y, is equals to 100 plus or minus 10 root 96. We can see further simplify this down, but I just want to leave it in this manner. Or divide by 2. Okay, if we bring out common factor, we have this to be 2 open bracket 50 plus or minus 5, okay, root 96 close bracket or divide by 2. So from here we have our y to be equals to 50 plus or minus 5 root 96. Okay, so therefore we can say our y1 is equals to 50 plus 5 root 96. Okay, our y2 is equals to 50 minus 5 root 96. Okay, and recall we said our x plus y is equals to 100, right? Then we say our x is equals to 100 minus y. So for x1 is equals to 100 minus y1, and y1 is this value, open bracket 50 plus 5 root 96 close bracket. Okay, so from here we can say our x1 is equals to 100 minus 50 minus 5 root 96. Okay, so from here we can see our x1 is equals to 50 minus 5 root 96. So for x2, for solve further for x2, our x2 is equals to 50 plus 5 root 96. So this is the value for x2 for solve further. So if you find this video interesting, this math challenge interesting, please click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. Bye bye. See you in my next math challenge. Please don't forget to hit the likes button and drop a comment on the comment section below. And if you see any method we can use to solve this outside this, you can equally drop that on the comment section below. Bye bye.